Well then, I say we have a music committee go to San Francisco and see how good San Francisco right is.
And you and me go along to make sure the judging's fair and square.
And the loser, has to clean the winner's dirty socks for a month.
Well, be then your chill committee.
Here's 10 loads of my sourdough bread to help you get to San Francisco.
When they arrived in Frisco, they went straight to a bakery and bought 10 loaves of fresh sourdough bread. The committee sat at the table and slowly, they tasted, they chewed, and swallowed, first from one end of the table to the other.
Sam looks really, really nervous.
I don't think it should be taking them so long to make up their minds. Paul Bunyan looked confident.
I think that the good spread will win by